Hello everyone, it's Rochelle. Thank you for watching. On today's video, I will be making turkey meatballs. Let's jump right into it. So in a large mixing bowl, I do have 2.5 pounds of ground turkey, 2 large eggs, and my dry seasoning mix. I do also have the list of ingredients and measurements in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now I'm adding in 1 full cup of Italian style breadcrumbs, and if you don't have any Italian style breadcrumbs, that's fine. Just use panko breadcrumbs or toast up some bread and then pop it in the food processor. I also like to use some yellow mustard. It does amp up the flavor in my meatballs, and if you don't have yellow mustard but have dry mustard, go ahead and use that. That'll be just fine. Using your fork and then your hands, combine all of your ingredients together. After mixing is complete, if you need to grab anything else, make sure you wash your hands first, okay? So here I have a large baking dish. To that I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to form the meatballs. I like thick and juicy sized meatballs, so I don't like the tiny ones. If I'm making tiny sized meatballs, I usually use that for soup. But I'm going to eat mine with spaghetti and maybe leftover on a sub. So I like mine to be medium sized to large. In this one baking dish, I can fit about 15 at a time. And the great thing about making meatballs is you don't have to bake them all at once. You can form as many meatballs at any size you'd like and bake some or cook some and then freeze the rest. Okay, so I washed my hands really quick and grabbed my broth. I'm using chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth or whatever broth that you like. I'm going to pour it directly on my meatballs to keep them juicy. And then I'm going to cover my baking dish with aluminum foil. Halfway through the baking process, remove the aluminum foil and also rotate your meatballs. In a large skillet on medium-high heat, I put a little bit of butter flavored shortening, and then I added my tomato sauce. And to my tomato sauce, I did add seasonings. I added a little bit of dry seasoning, which included parsley, thyme, salt, pepper. And for the complete list of seasonings for the tomato sauce, make sure you check the description box as well. After adding your meatballs, make sure they are tossed well in the sauce. I did cover them with a lid and let them simmer for about 30 minutes. And then I topped my spaghetti noodles with the meatballs and enjoyed. These meatballs are super tender and very rich in flavor. I hope you all try my recipe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And remember, the ingredients and measurements are in the description box. Until next time, bye-bye.